Hi, today we'll be reviewing the Secrid mini wallet in vintage brown and card protector in red. Let's get started. The Secrid mini wallet is designed to replace your full-size wallet by drastically reducing the size to 50% while still retaining the functionality. With the mini wallet, you're able to store a total of 4 embossed or 6 flat cards with a built-in card protector, as well as 4 extra cards in the 2 additional pockets. The mini wallet also features a folded slot where bills can be placed if needed. I found that the wallet was more than adequate in keeping my cards and miscellaneous receipts in a convenient form factor. In terms of the construction of the wallet, Secrid uses a high-quality leather from European cowhides, which gives the overall aesthetic a timeless look and feel. For users who prefer to carry around cards and looking for the slimmest form factor, the card protector is the obvious choice. Built of a polished aluminum and just 0.3 inches thick, the card protector is tough to pass. To use the card holder, simply insert a total of 6 flat cards into the open slot on the top of the holder. The design uses a small lever on the bottom right to eject the cards from the slot, making it a quick and seamless process whenever you need to use your cards. The thin form factor makes it optimal for storing in smaller purses as well as coat and pants pockets. In conclusion, the Secrid mini wallet and card protector are exceptional choices for anyone that is looking for a thin and light wallet to replace their conventional wallet or card holder. The mini wallet and card protector are both now available in a variety of colors and can be purchased on brandswalk.com. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. If you would like to see an additional product reviewed for future content, please comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.